Hey guys, I am on with a HSN AliExpress haul. And I wanted to share that with you. But first, I have my winner for you had to tell me what you loved about spring, why you like spring. And I got lots of comments, and the winner gets this die and this pack of 4x4s that are all iridescent type. Very cool. So my winner is Laura Miller 6294. Congratulations, Laura. It's not a big prize, but I like to just kind of do it here and there. So I will leave my email below, and you can email me your address. All right, there's that. I'm getting better about I'm terrible. I get going in life and forget things. That's the way it goes. I'm a little pooped. I got the Crafty Girls coming tomorrow, and I've had all the calendar stuff going on. And I finished decorating for Easter. I'll share that soon. Whew. So yeah, I think I'm ready. Not that they're, I mean, Margaret's here all the time, but I don't know. It's a good excuse to get organized. So I went for a walk, and in our neighborhood library was this old book, the Hemingway Reader, and I thought, I really should read it. So, books by I think there's different, I think it's like 1958, Big Two-Hearted River, I don't know. Anyway, but it's already aged, so that's why I picked it up. So if you have those little libraries in your neighborhood, and look at the edges. Most people will be like, oh, I don't like that. I like it. Okay, I got enough of these books. So, I went to HSN a couple of different times, and one thing has been sitting here a while. They had free shipping, and they are getting taken over, or are taken over now by QVC, and they are going to, sorry, I'm trying to adjust this, move HSN from Florida up to wherever QVC is in Pennsylvania, I think, or something. I don't know. So, and they said they're laying off 900 people, so I don't know what's happening to crafts and HSN. I do know they have another craft day on May 13th, so there you go, like I need it. But I did get, this was in the clearance, and you get this big notebook, layout collection for cards, and it's by Crafter's Companion. So it comes with the page dividers, I think. Or no, these are magnet sheets. Pretty cool. And these are the page dividers. You get stamps and dies. So I thought, well, you know what? And embellishments, and I'm sorry, I've had this for a little while. I don't remember what I paid. I don't think it was too much. I think it was like 40 bucks maybe. So you get these border dies. Because, I don't have any dies. Get ribbon. 2 packs of those. What does it say here? Thank you for purchasing. Join us for educational create. Oh, so it gives you this so you can check out what to do with all this stuff. That's nice. So all these cute little dies in there. If I think of it, I'll try to list the price below. I don't. Or you can go to HSN. There you go. It's called the Layout Collection by Crafter's Companion. I mean, you get, I might have paid more than I think, but little tags, tall tags. This would be good for me to take like to my trailer, so I have this kind. I think that's what I'll do. This kind of stuff just out there, ready to go. So I don't, I was gonna go to the trailer today. It was actually 71 degrees today. Tomorrow, back to rain, but that's the way it is today. These around here, these ovals. Yeah, this would be perfect for just taking to my trailer, so I have this kind of stuff there. Gosh, I'm smarter than I look. I used to say that to my kids, and they're like, "That's not very nice." I go, yeah, it really is. Sorry. Hugs and kisses. So you get sentiment stamps. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then I got this in there, big, huge. Let's see if I got. I move around, then my back hurts. It's like, oh my gosh. So butterflies, birdhouses, cakes, roses. It's got it all in there. Quite a variety. I'm my gosh, it even has a 3D embossing folder. This is my first time looking at this. Isn't that terrible? And 2D embossing folders, so it's just not as thick. That's pretty. I've been getting a lot of, and then I got, anyway, you know, you'll see in a minute from Diamond Press. Isn't that pretty though? Butterflies. They're really into Crafter's Companion, big on butterflies. I mean, to the point it's like, okay, moving on. Anyway, I don't know that I'll use that notebook. I think I'll just use, when you get patterned papers. Let's look and see really quick because I don't want to take too long. But so I don't know if this is still available or not. So today I did a video on, well, I'm filming this Saturday evening, but I'll post it, so it's later, so I'll post it on Sunday morning. But anyway, so 8x8, gosh, I got an itch. Got those, and then you get textured linen card papers, bada bing, bada boom, and a layout, oh, and then the idea, the recipe cards, here we go. Oh, very cool. So all kinds of different layout. This will go in the notebook probably. But I think there's, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, so you get different card layouts. Kind of like Close to My Heart used to do that. And then on the other side are the steps. Oh, very cool. Okay, I like this. This is pretty good. I hope. I think I paid more than I should have, maybe. I don't know, but I feel like I got a lot, so. Whatever, I have it now, so there you go. Thanks. Alright, I had to go see. I was just like, how much did I pay for this? $51.86. I feel like that wasn't too bad. So, I think it was on a free shipping day or, you know, me and my... And then Diamond Press, they had like this day where they reduced a lot of stuff. So Diamond Press, one of these I got for $9, the other for $7 something. More embossing folders. See? Yeah. I know. Trying to get better, but and then I buy them at now Michael's. I could open my own little scrapbook store, you know? Ooh, I like them though. So the slimline one, look at that. I love how they color them so you can actually see the design. So this has got a print on it, so you don't, you know, because otherwise it's like, okay. Fruit. Oh, and this one was called Slimline. Mini Sleep. Summer embossing. So it was the summer embossing. So you get some slimline. Pretty. Sorry. Ooh, I'm really liking this. For $9. Under 10 anyway. Ooh, look at this one. That's kind of cool. Kind of retro. This reminds me of the news back in the day. You know, and they'd come on and Walter Cronkite. Give me a thumbs up down below if you remember Walter Cronkite. Yep. Walter Cronkite. It was back when you actually believed the news. Anyway. I'm gonna go there again. That's pretty. So small little ones. Oh, this is cute. I like that. Makes me want to go to Hawaii. Oh, this one really makes... I gotta go to Hawaii sometime. I haven't been there since I went with my ex. That's been a while. Okay, and then this one... Oh God, I think these aren't the... No, they're not the same. There's another embossing folders from my Diamond Press. Now, Diamond Press also has their own site, mydiamondpress.com. But these came from HSN. And I have more coming on Monday. Anyway. Yep. Oh my gosh, that's a slim line. Look at that. Pretty. I think what I need to do is just sit down and do a bunch of these. But then you don't know what color. So let's see. This one's name is Stained Glass. There you go. Yep, does definitely look like stained. I like these little ones. Those are kind of cool. flowers. So yeah, if you saw my collection of diamond or embossing folders, well, you guys know, you watch, I share it all. So I got a text from Brian, and there was Emma behind him. They did a picture, and he goes, "Sure." I'm like, what the heck? She's so cute. I really miss them. Coco too. I mean, like, oh, Coco. Anyway, what was I gonna say? Oh, he said she has her screensaver is a picture of me, but it's a really, because not a good one. I go, he goes, it makes me laugh. I go, well, isn't that great? I go, I'll have to send her a new one. He goes, no, she did it because she thinks it's funny. Yeah, she's her grandma all over again, right? Okay, let's see here. What else? Okay, so, oh my gosh, AliExpress. Oh, and one Amazon. This is Michael, Planner Time with Michael. He's been making tickets. And I was like, oh, and he does this where he's taking the distress oxides and, you know, making it go across variegated type thing. So I got this on Amazon. If I can find, I don't know if I know how to link it, but I'll try. But just put on Amazon tickets and dies. It comes with a die and set to match. There you go. Okay. I've been really into, I've got to start sitting and die cutting. Maybe that's what I'll do tomorrow. With KS Crafts. Hang on. Yeah. So she had this butterfly flies, really pretty. I also got from her this pocket, jeans pocket mini of them. I mean, this thing is pretty big. I have a pocket this size. I just think these are so cool. So you go on KS Crafts and see. There's lots of, this is like a scrunched up banner. What does she call this? Ruffle. There you go, a ruffle. That was complicated. Anyway, so it kind of folds. And, well, it does fold and it kind of folds. So, and then I got cute double bows. What else? Oh, this was the big cute double bows, and this is the small double bows. And I think Jen, Strawberry Cream, she has a video on these, how she did some with that. And then KS Craft herself, what is her name? Hannah, does videos. And then I went back, somebody commented, I went back and got, because I did that bunny one, the big bunny, and somebody's like, oh, I went in and got a whole bunch, and so then that made me want to go get a whole bunch. I'm so easily influenced. I'll leave the shop name, or try to leave the link below, but here's, oof, they are so cute. They're pretty big, but oh my gosh. So they were really, you know, it's AliExpress, but cheap. And it didn't take, there was another order I got, and it took 5 weeks to get here. But not KS Crafts and not this shop. They are pretty quick. They came at the same day. Look at that fox. Ooh, look at the mushrooms. There you go. Fox. For fox's sake. Oh boy. It's funny. And I don't remember who it was that made that comment, but anyway, and she said she got the frog or the toad. Isn't he cute in the bathtub? Oh my gosh, look at him. Rub-a-dub-dub. You are unforgettable. Be your own kind of beautiful. I love you so much I could croak. Okay. I know, a frog. They don't. I'm thinking croak like I'm dead. He's ribbit. Okay. It's been a long day. Kim's tired. And then look at the kitties. Oh my gosh. I love it. Speaking of that, I have to remember to go over and give the cat some love tomorrow. Anyway, you're the cat's whiskers, meow, and it's got this little mouse and the fish. Oh my gosh. look at that big kitty. So cute. All right, I think that is it, you guys. We will do a Michael's haul here pretty soon. I am absolutely in love with all their Michael's, what they're doing with their new stuff. It's very reasonably priced, and you know me, I'm gonna have it all. So I'm waiting tomorrow. Usually they do the new percentages off or whatever on Sunday, and I think on sometimes Wednesdays. So right now it's just 20% off if you order online, but sometimes it can be 35%. So I'll wait because there's a couple things I want. Of course I do. All right, you guys. Oh, and Laura Miller, don't forget to email me so I can send you your little goodies. All right, you guys, take care and have a great Sunday. Bye-bye.